Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by checking two essentials, drivers and power. Make sure your display driver is up to date and the adapter is connected if on a laptop. Once done, open the Start menu, type Settings, and press Enter. This gets you straight into the app. From Settings, click System to open Display. I'm showing this step first because entering System quickly exposes the brightness controls you'll adjust next. Now you use the brightness slider under Display to change screen light. Drag left to dim, right to brighten. If the slider is missing, don't stop, open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, and confirm your GPU driver is active. Once confirmed, right-click the adapter and choose Update Driver or Scan for hardware changes. Make sure to run Windows Update as well, because optional driver packages often restore the brightness control when the system lacks native adjustments. Finish by restarting the PC to ensure driver changes take effect. Many brightness problems clear after a reboot. Once restarted, you can also use the Action Center Quick Tile for instant adjustments when available. If brightness still won't change, uninstall the display driver in Device Manager, then reinstall the latest manufacturer driver. This often resolves corrupted driver settings. And if
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.